Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. On today's video, I'm going to be air frying some wings on my brand new WEESTA air fryer. That's right, I got an air fryer. Stay tuned. You can see, look at this bark. It's crazy. Oh man, this is perfect. It helps to start with a nice sharp knife, okay? Oh my goodness. Look at that. All right, so here's my 19-quart WEESTA air fryer, and we absolutely love this. Now, this is not an unboxing video. There's plenty of videos out there. You can see the unboxing. So I've been using this air fryer for 3 weeks, and I wanted to test it before I actually did a video and recommended it for you guys. So if it made it this far, I highly recommend that you get yourself one of these. So we've been reheating things like leftover pizza, and I gotta tell you, reheating leftover pizza on this WEESTA air fryer, it's better than the way it comes from the pizza restaurant. So we've cooked taquitos in this air fryer, chicken nuggets, we've even reheated our turkey that we had for Thanksgiving, and everything comes out fantastic. So in today's video, as I mentioned in the introduction, we're gonna be air frying some chicken wings. So I have some chicken wings here. I'm just gonna grab about, I think about 10 or 15 fit in this basket right here. I do have a gallon size baggie. Just gonna grab 10 wings. All right, so the rub that I'm using today is from Suckle Busters. This is the lemon pepper garlic, and this is really good on fish and especially good on chicken wings. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some into my bag here, enough to completely coat the chicken wings. And this makes cleanup really easy using this gallon size bag. Okay, so just shake it up. Get those wings nice and coated. All right, so the next step is just to put our wings on this air fryer basket that comes with your WEESTA air fryer. And try to separate the wings so they don't touch. That way the air circulates around the entire wing. So what's your favorite wing? Do you like the flats or you like these little drumsticks right here? I think they call them drumettes. Leave a comment down below. All right, let's pop them in the air fryer. Stay tuned. All right, so let's place our chicken wings in our air fryer. Just grab the basket with this nice little tool that comes with your air fryer. Just like that. I did put the shelf in the middle here, and I do have my drip tray on the bottom of this. So next up, just close the door. We're gonna be cooking this for 10 minutes on the air fryer option, okay? And the temperature I'm going with is 400 degrees, okay? So we'll be back in about 10 minutes. Stay tuned. All right, so it's been 10 minutes. Let's take a look at our wings here and see how we're doing. Oh yeah, they're getting nice and brown. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip them and put them back in there for another 12 minutes. All right, so I've got my chicken wings flipped. Just gonna put them back in the air fryer here. Just like that. Close the door. I'm gonna give it about 12 minutes or so. We'll be right back. All right, so the wings are ready. Now I did let them go for a total of 30 minutes. The second round I let it go for 20 minutes, so a total of 30 minutes. I do want to get an internal temperature of the wings, and we're looking for 165. Oh, and we are there. Look at that. Do those look delicious or what? Let's give them a taste. All right, the chicken wings are ready, and I gotta tell you, this WEESTA air fryer did an amazing job. The chicken wings look nice and crunchy. Let's give them a taste. All right, let's see how we did on our lemon pepper garlic wings. Can't wait for this. They look really nice and crunchy. Here we go. You hear that crunch? These are really tasty. I gotta tell you, that is a really good chicken wing. That lemon pepper garlic seasoning from Suckle Busters is really tasty. The skin is nice and crunchy. I gotta tell you, this WEESTA air fryer did an amazing job. I am gonna be leaving a link in the description box on where you can order yourself one of these WEESTA air fryers and also get yourself a nice little discount. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. See ya.